I'm Dr. Michael Lowe, and I developed a new self-report questionnaire called the Power of Food Scale. This scale measures people's desire, thoughts of, even obsession over eating food or thinking about eating food. And we developed it because over the past 50 years, the motivations for eating food have really expanded from those that presumably governed us for thousands of years until modern societies arose. So in addition to the normal kind of hunger we all feel after we go several hours without eating, we often eat for reasons having little or nothing to do with a physiological need. And that has especially happened as the variety, tastiness, availability, and low cost of food has exploded around us. And so we often eat for the pleasure of the food that is so easily accessible. And one of the questions is, with the increasing obesity epidemic, what is the ready availability of those palatable foods doing to us psychologically, even doing to our brains? And so the Power of Food Scale is designed to measure a second kind of hunger, which is a hunger for pleasure that we get from all the food around us, not just from the energy we get. People who score high on the Power of Food Scale tend to not be able to help themselves from thinking about food during much of the day, even when they're not physically hungry. And what we've learned from our studies so far is that such individuals are more likely to start developing feelings of not being able to control their eating, and some of them may develop the susceptibility to binge eating. This is reminiscent of the whole idea that's been floated a lot recently of, can we develop a food addiction? And I think it's going to take a while to answer that question, but the Power of Food Scale does measure a dimension in relation to food similar to people's susceptibility to develop addictions with other substances.